Amanda Nicole with Your New Image in the heart of El Paso, Texas. We are going to do a whole new look on Allie with the Mermaid curling iron. The Mermaid curling iron, you can actually, it's a waver, beach waver. You can actually get this on the link below to the people, not on our site, not on Your New Image, but this is more of a branding opportunity for you guys to try something new. And I really wanted to show you guys how to do it because a lot of people are using different wavers and not really getting like a mermaid wave. So if you like our video, keep on watching. Please remember to thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll put the link down below. So everything that I'm going to do is going to be taken in an angle. Mostly how I manage to curl my client's hair is always in an angle. It leaves no lines in the hair. And I'm going to start from the back of the head versus going forward. I leave her root out, I'm going to leave her ends out. I'm going to just hold it there. Her hair it's dirty. She hasn't shampooed her hair in a day. So we put Orbe product in her hair. She already has all the products. So this is just information on how to use the Mermaid waver. I'm not holding it right here. Everybody right now wants to have mermaid hair, which is like a thing, and everybody like loves this waver. It's like so freaking popular. I'm like digging it, and actually this is like my number one. This is like the tool that I needed after COVID. I was like, if I'm gonna go behind the chair, I just need something that's gonna wave a client's hair super quick. I'm not gonna have to like invest in like super blow drying because we were all, you know, during COVID it was a very different time for us. You notice like her hair even bends to the wave too. The more hair you have, I feel like the less of a crimper look that it's going to get, and it's not going to create any kind of lines. And Alia here has been my model for like ever. I mean, at this point I feel, right?
I know, right?
Like, Alia, do you want to do a video to do hair? Yeah. And she's been taking the wave, like the mermaid look anyways. So she gave me some inspiration too. Hey. Your hair is so long now.
It is.
She's eating all her protein stuff.
Take your vitamins.
Yeah, take your vitamins. People, look at this. Her hair's growing. And I don't do the ends. I know some people do, I don't. I just feel like there's just no point. Can I do the opposite side?
Yes. And we can move this
Down. Again, I'm going to do the other half of her back of her head, and I'm going to go the opposite way now. And we're going to get this done looking good. I hope you guys like all the videos. We're liking them. They've been so different every week, and all these videos are, you're not going to see this video for a while, so I hope that you guys really enjoy it when it's out. Okay guys, so we're going to the front of the head, and all of her hair is going to be nicely waved. It's gonna look flowy. It's not gonna look like extra. It's gonna look like a mermaid beach hair, same stuff. and love that you can see her hair. And we're going to go through the front. So let's kind of fast forward and we're going to watch it play through. Again, I'm not using her ends at all, and I'm going to do probably about 2 inches away from her root. Cool? Okay, I'm going to go through the pieces again, and I'm going to rotate it back like this, like at an angle. This thing gets super hot, okay? So be careful. Don't burn yourselves. Liability not with me. Hot.
We won't pay for anything that got melted.
I know. Caution, hot. Again, I'm going into an angle, and you can see right here how the wave kind of changes when it's in an angle. You look like a mermaid. I love it. And if you see right here at her end, it looks kind of bended in, and it looks cool. Like, it doesn't look like, I don't know, like sometimes when we put this so close to the end, it kind of sprigs out this way, and we don't want that. We want it to look like very smooth. I'm going to take all the sections in the front over here in an angle as well. I'm going to hold it in here. Again, I'm leaving her root a little bit out. Hold it for a couple of seconds. She has very thick hair. So if you have very thick hair, you also want to like hold it for a while. Woo! Look at that. We're almost done. But you see how at an angle it just looks so wavy? So good. Okay. So with the bang right here, I'm only gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna bend it, but I'm not gonna do it too much because then I'm gonna grab her ends, okay? So I'm gonna come up in an angle. I'm gonna hit it just a little bit. We don't wanna create a line. And we're just gonna let that loose right there, which looks really cool. We're gonna actually get a spray now, and we're gonna do like a beach wave spray. So the greatest way for this is like, you wanna just break the hair up. You wanna just kind of leave it like this, and then we're gonna go back. And there's just going to be some pieces that we're going to just do it again. And it just gives the hair a different look in those areas. And I do this even with a curling iron. I don't just do one side and then let it go because I think that looks weird. It looks dimensional waves, and I think that's important before me saying it looks weird. It just, we want dimensional waves. We don't want it to just be one look. So we're gonna come around, we're gonna put texturizing in her hair spray, which has a little bit of dry shampoo in it. And we're just gonna grab her hair, we're gonna bring it down. It doesn't necessarily need to be a lot of volume. Alia likes a lot of volume. But if you wanted to come just do this and kind of just hold it down and it just look very beachy, that looks awesome for me. And then if you want a lot of volume, then you're gonna grab the hair and you're gonna bring it back and move it around. But I like this look. I feel like this is really on brand for myself and for Alia. Yes, we love it.
Yes, I love.